Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk my vintage Pulsar solar watch. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another Wristwatch Wednesday. Today I have one of my personal watches. This is a Pulsar solar, and again I acquired this in a watch lot and I haven't put it up for sale yet. I'm still thinking about it, but I had a lot of trouble when I originally received this watch. I realize it's a solar watch. So you really have to set it in the sun or just in the daylight area to get it to charge up, so to speak. But I had a lot of reserve power issues. I think I have those all ironed out. I really like this one because the dial glows basically at night, and sort of the hands, and it's just a cool looking watch. The thing I don't like about it is titanium, and I am just not a fan of titanium watches. They're light. I don't know, they seem a little bit flimsy to me, but that's just my opinion. You may love them. Hit me up if you love them and maybe I'll sell you this one. Other problems I have, and I don't know if you can tell from that angle, but that crystal was really scratched up. It's still scratched up pretty bad. I've been working on it. It is improving. It really just needs a new crystal, and I might replace it one day. I'm not sure. But here's a view of the back. And it tells you right there, no battery change required, because this is a solar watch. That's about all there is to it. It has this the bezel that wraps it is gold. It's got a little bit of wear on it. I mean, it was in really bad shape when I first got it, but I've been working on it, getting it polished up, and it actually is presentable and not bad. I don't have a lot of information on when it was made. I think it was Seiko ended up buying Pulsar, right? So it was obviously, I guess it doesn't have to be previous to that. They may still be releasing Pulsar watches, but if you know when it was made, chime in and let everybody else know. But I know these are pretty popular on eBay. Let's see, we got case width. That's about 36, 37, somewhere around there. Lug to lug, that's about 45. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. This band has not been adjusted for me yet, so I will need to do that. And I have about a 7 1/4 inch wrist, and that gives you an idea of what it looks like on the wrist. It's a beautiful watch. I like it. Just not a big fan of the titanium. Anyway guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.